XRP, we start with weekly chart. Before we start the analysis, I want to highlight that from now, this channel will be only for Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, Dodge, and ADA, and the other charts will be shared on the analysis for the other chart will be shared on new channel. The address for the new channel will be in the description. Just I wanted to make it separate. Anyway, if we refer to the chart, and as we can see based on weekly chart, the way is reversing is very corrective, and even based on daily chart, because we mentioned we're looking for continuation as a sharp move, and we can expect the price can sharply move similar to what we had here even within 1 day. We see the movement as a sharp based on lower time frame, but we don't see the continuation. And as what we explained in my last analysis, mostly we're looking to see the breakout of the 94 cent, because with the breakout of the 94, then we can look for continuation. Then we can expect to see the breakout of the previous stop, which is somewhere around 1.9, following by 3. All right. But the way is reversing is very corrective. That's why based on weekly chart, that's why if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we should know how to manage it if the price couldn't, we don't see the continuation because of the possibility for the price to retest this low somewhere around 42 cent. Okay, that's why if there is a continuation as a corrective as what we have here, as long as the price haven't break the 94 cent, we need to be quite careful. But as I mentioned, for this year, I'm looking for the XRP because as long as it start to move, it can move really sharp. That's why I mentioned I'm looking for buy any opportunity, any trade setup, I will take it. But based on weekly chart, we don't see anything else to discuss. And even we don't see the breakout of desktop, we cannot refer to the indicators. And if we move to daily chart, okay, as we can see the price sharp, we see this sharp move, but there was no continuation. At this point, for me, I'm looking at this one. If this one turned to a correction for continuation, then mostly we can see the price at least tag 94 cent. Okay, the only thing is simply we cannot take the trade because we can expect this one similar to be similar to any of this. We see the continuation and the price drop correctively and retest this line. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, they have to look for the trade setup. Simply, they cannot take the trade setup. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to forward chart, similar explanation, we want to see how we can get the trade. And if we move to 1 hour chart, having entry above here can be an option, but is not really good because at this point, if anyone wants to put the entry above here, we prefer the price at least tag or break this low. Okay, that's why at this point, having entry above the top does mean we should put our entry above either above here or here. Okay, that's why I mentioned we're looking for buy, but we have to look for the trade setup. The only thing is XRP, as long as it start to move, it can move really sharp. Okay, that's why for me, I'm looking for buy, any opportunity for buy, either based on lower 1 hour chart or higher time frame, I will take it. But as long as I see it's not moving, I will take out the trade at least, or if I will put my stop loss in the break even, because every time that we see the breakout of the previous stop, we see the next drop. Now the question is, if the price couldn't break the 75 cent, then we can expect this one as well. Okay, that's why if we want to look, if based on the daily chart, this one turned to a correction, then any opportunity for buy with the breakout of the 75, simply we can look for the 94 cent. Anyway, as I mentioned before, the XRP, for me, I'm looking to see the breakout of the 94. Then we can look for continuation. The only thing is, whoever wants to look for buy within this corrective move based on weekly chart, they should know how to manage it if it doesn't move in our direction. Because as long as the price haven't break the 94 cent, if the price start to drop, even we can expect the price drop to 42 cent. Okay, we are not looking for the next drop. The only thing is we have to be aware of this possibility. We're looking for continuation and we're looking to see the breakout of the 94 cent. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.